trace in the dark.
So I was all alone. I couldn't find somebody to take my picture, so I had this guy while being clicking some pictures. It was nice, and it's a good view out here. Hello, hi mate. You can see some beautiful yachts over here. This is the yacht club I was talking about. You can see a lot of pretty yachts here. If I would have pretty more time over here, I would definitely go for a Heron Island trip. This is one of the beautiful islands over here, part of the Great Barrier Reef, and I've been searching about it for a long time, but I don't have enough time here. Otherwise I would have taken a tour for the snorkeling and other adventure things, but unfortunately we don't have much time here, so I couldn't make it, guys. But whatever I could make, I'm making good use of it, so that's why I'm out today. So this is the beautiful view of our yacht club. You can see some crazy yachts also over here. When I was coming out of Siemens Club, I could get a couple who was two sailors who started their sailing from France, and now they are in Australia. They took them around a few months of sailing to reach here, and so they have promised me that they will me take to their boat. So let's go and check into their boats. You have the gyro there. Wow, it's cool.
It's not too small.
Yeah, it's too big. I didn't expect this much space here. Nice. So it's your dining table or something like that?
Yes, I have. Where are you?
Might be your chart table or something. We used to have a space like in this on the ship.
Yes, but I was working and I'm wondering where is my laptop.
Your laptop.
Oh, yes.
Ah, you have it there.
Because all the bedrooms here are in mess.
It's in a mess.
Yeah, because we are.
You'll not be
we
using.
have no friends now here, and it's easy for us to put a lot of mess on the bed.
Okay.
We can be 6 on board, but we don't like that.
Yeah, it's always have to have good space.
We prefer to be
To be alone, yeah.
Yeah, to be alone. It's yes. No, it's pleasant to be 4. One in.
That's the best way to find if your
we
weather is
have
getting
that
down or
in
something.
in our home, and we have that on board.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We have the similar thing on board, but it
Of
is
course.
little bigger.
Yes, I know. Yeah.
But most of the ship, it's not compulsory to have. It's only some ships which are Met Observe ships.
Yes.
They used to keep it. It's nice.
Well, because we have another one, but we used to rent
This
this
is
one.
your,
But this one can't give any information.
Can give?
No, because when we were in Polynesia, in
Okay.
French Polynesia, the line here
Okay.
was always like that.
It was giving some false information, I guess.
No.
Okay. Happens sometimes.
No, I think in this area it's like that. There is no lower point, if I can say that.
It's always fluctuating, I guess.
But in France, we can see when we have tempest and storm, and we can see the
It's going
the
down.
line
Yeah.
going down.
There's
and
a pressure is coming down.
Yes. But
Nice. So you cook here. You have everything.
yes, the
Nice.
fridge, the oven.
It's a fridge you have down.
Yes, it's a fridge. We have no freezer
No freezer.
No.
So how do you store your food?
here
Okay.
and here,
So for the long sail and all,
and we have tins, boxes, and
tins and boxes. Yeah, you can store it in normal.
Yes, but here it's easy to
Here.
here it's easy to
Another
to
bird is
find
coming.
a lot of things. And when we were in Vanuatu, you know Vanuatu? New
Vanuatu?
Hebrides. It's near Fiji.
Fiji, yeah.
You
Fiji
know
Islands,
Fiji?
yeah.
And after you have Vanuatu, after you have New Caledonia. And in Vanuatu, we can exchange a lot of things. We gave clothes, pens, nail varnish, and they gave us, they offered first a lot of vegetables and fruits.
Okay.
And to thank
Somebody
them.
else coming? I
Yes,
think another
it's
boat,
a
I guess.
catamaran. Yes.
Another
But
boat.
maybe it's his place. I don't know.
Oh, this parking slot.
I don't know. Yes, but maybe they used this place. I don't know. I don't know.
I think they're for the other boat on the other side.
Yes.
So you have a system. You have internet here?
Yes, but not at sea.
Not at sea?
No, it's too expensive.
Oh, how much? Like we have on board, we have internet.
We don't know. Yeah, my husband knows, but no, we are not interested.
So how do you communicate? You don't have any system to communicate with?
Yes, we can send and receive some mails from the family, but and we have all the weather, the forecast. We have with the instruments.
Yeah, GMDSS instruments you might
And
be.
he used to do that when he was
I'm in charge of this GMDSS instruments on board. My rank actually. So I think you have some VHFs and
Yes.
yes, you have, but limited equipments. But how do you you don't have to communicate. It's not a commercial
No.
purpose that much.
No.
It's peaceful to be
Yes.
that way.
That's it. That's it.
And it's your drawings, I
Yes.
think.
That's mine.
Nice.
The fruit and it is Raiatea in Tahiti.
Okay.
It's an island.
So this is what you do when
Yes.
sailing, killing time.
When I have time.
Yeah. You have some equipments here also. Huh? 100%.
It's very different from your.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's completely different from what we see out there.
More cozy, but smaller.
Okay. So you are planning to come to India or something someday?
I would like to do that because I made already 4. I went in Cochin, Mumbai,
Okay.
Madras, and
Madras is a
Pondicherry.
Chennai, I guess.
Chennai, no? Yeah. And Pondicherry.
Pondicherry.
You feel you.
So we just came out of the boat now. It was nice meeting those two people. It was such a good experience that I could enter that small boat. Actually sailing on these big ships, I couldn't ever imagine how things were inside. Now we also saw how it was. It's almost time to sunset here. You can see it is about to sun setting. So that's it, guys. It's getting late, so I have to get back to hotel right now. And talking to those people, I could imagine they were once in Cochin. That's my place where I'm from in Kerala. Not in Cochin because that's one of the famous cities. I'm from more central Kerala, and this people, he was he was a captain in this French Navy. The guy I was talking with was in French Navy, and he was there in 1996. That's the time when I was not even born. We've been sailing from France to Australia. It's such a long route on such a small boat. It's really amazing, and hats off to him. And we hope he's having a good sail. They are setting sail tomorrow from here to Phuket, that's in Thailand, and they are expecting to reach in their country, France, in for the Christmas. That's around December. They have around 6-7 months. I think they will be doing a pit stop sailing. They'll be doing some stops in maybe in Phuket. Then she was saying something around Singapore and later on Cape Town, something like that, or might be taking the Suez route. So that's it, guys. Done for the day. I'll be heading back to hotel right now. It's almost time for me to get back and relax sometime because tomorrow the ship will be arriving, and I'll have to join back to the ship tomorrow, and we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Might be interesting, and I'll show you around how things work on board, and we'll have more interesting videos on board. Thank you, guys. That's it. Signing off. Bye. We'll see you soon.